Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Gamechanger, how to end a game. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To properly conclude a game in Gamechanger, what you need to do is head over and open up your Gamechanger app. Now once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now during the game, what you need to do is you'll be seeing the menu option on the top left corner of the screen. Simply tap on that. Now on tapping it, there you'll find the option that says exit current game. Simply tap on that, and then or you'll find the option that says game over to initiate the game's finalization process. Then after selecting game over, you'll have the option to assign pitching decisions such as wins, losses or saves. Now once all that's done, confirm your selections to finalize the game and you will be able to end the selected game. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.